Locate the map light application and open the overhead storage compartment. There are 9 locking clips. Pull down the lens from the inner side closest to the overhead storage compartment. Remember to realign the locking clips upon reinstallation. Next, pull out and remove the incandescent bulb. And install the new LED bulb from Ala Lighting. Pull out and remove the other remaining incandescent map light bulb. And install the new LED bulb and tested both new LED bulbs. Lastly, reapply the lens and push in to secure. Make sure all locking clips have snapped in. There is a noticeable difference between the incandescent light bulb and the new LED bulbs from Ala Lighting. 21 lux compared to the higher 110 lux of the new LED bulb is a huge upgrade. For this installation, you will need a flathead screwdriver. First, locate the vanity mirror light under the driver's side visor. Pull out the light housing. These are the tabs that hold the light housing in place. Use the flathead screwdriver to remove the incandescent light bulb. Install the LED light bulb and test it. Bend the tabs inwards to insert the light housing and snap it in. Now you can see the difference between Ala Lighting LED lights and the incandescent light. For this installation, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. The dome light is located in the center of the vehicle. There are holding clips on the housing lens. Using the small flathead screwdriver, pry open the housing lens starting from this side and follow along. Remember to align the tabs when installing the new bulbs. Remove the existing incandescent light bulb. Install the new LED light bulb. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Remove the incandescent light bulb. Install the new LED light bulb. And then test it. Lastly, mount the housing lens back into position. Now you can see the difference between Ala Lighting LED lights and the incandescent lights. For this installation you will need a small Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. Using the flathead screwdriver to pry this side first to remove. These retainer clips will require to be aligned with the housing tabs upon installation. Next, disconnect the trunk light assembly. There are 4 clips on the assembly. Using Phillips screwdriver to remove small screw. And push out the lens. Once lens is removed, remove the incandescent light bulb. And install the all-new LED light bulb. Ensure the LED chips of the LED bulb face towards the lens for best light output. Reconnect the assembly and test the new LED bulb. Next, apply the lens back onto the assembly. Make sure all clips snap in. Reinsert the locking screw. And snap assembly back into the housing opening. Just take a look at the difference between an incandescent light and all new LED light from Ala Lighting. Ala Lighting offers advanced LED lights for automotive applications.